Welcome to your journey in mastering the big toe pose or Padangusthasana, a pose that not only stretches your body but also opens your heart and mind. This foundational yoga pose, Padangusthasana, helps strengthen your legs, stretches your hamstrings and promotes better posture. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced yogi, this asana will allow you to feel deeply grounded and connected to your body. Padangusthasana improves flexibility, strengthens your core, and increases your focus. As you reach for your toes, you extend beyond your physical limits, stretching your muscles and creating space for stillness and clarity. Before you begin, it's essential to calm your mind. Stand in mountain pose, feet hip-width apart, grounding your weight evenly through both feet. Focus on your breath. With a deep inhale, lift through your chest. As you exhale, gently hinge from your hips and fold forward. Keep your back long and your core engaged as you bring your fingertips toward the floor. It's okay if you can't reach the ground yet. Allow your body to move at its own pace. Once your body is ready, grab onto your big toes with your index fingers and thumbs. Feel the connection between your hands and feet. This grip will allow you to pull your body deeper into the stretch, enhancing flexibility. With every exhale, draw your torso closer to your legs. Focus on relaxing your neck and shoulders. Allow your head to hang heavy as your hamstrings stretch and release tension. Breathe deeply and stay present with each movement. Be mindful of not rounding your back or locking your knees. Instead, maintain a gentle bend in the knees if necessary and keep your spine long. Yoga is about honoring your body's limitations, not pushing beyond them. As you hold the pose, focus on your breath. Each inhale expands your chest, each exhale brings your body closer to your legs. With every breath, find peace in the stillness. Hold this pose for 30 seconds to 1 minute, allowing your body to fully experience the stretch. When you're ready, gently release your toes and slowly rise back up to standing. Take a moment to pause and notice how your body feels. The calmness, the release, the deep connection between your breath and body. Remember, yoga is a practice of patience and presence. With time, the big toe pose will help you find balance, flexibility, and peace within yourself. Keep practicing, and let this pose remind you of the power of gentle persistence. Thank you for joining this journey. Namaste.